Hi there, David here from Bugeye Guys, and a very special video for you today. This is a drive in the first Bugeye. Now, this is a Calso Chevron Flicker keychain from 1958. Chevron changed their name and they made that promotional keychain, so we thought it'd be cool to put it on a 1958 car. But that is the least of what I have to share with you today. This car is basically Bugeye number one, the first production car 501. It was a left-hand drive car. It was built this way, and we have completely restored this thing. I'm going to take you for a drive in this video. You'll get a chance to sort of hopefully see what it's like to sit in the driver's seat and go out and enjoy this car, because it's a wonderful machine. We had purchased it in Australia. It was completely restored, and then we ripped it apart and restored it again because we needed it to be exactly factory correct for the national concours. We've come back from that now with our gold medal award, and listen to how nicely this car runs. And it stops really nicely too. And one of the things that's interesting, whether you like national concours style collectible cars or not, in the process of making this one exactly accurate like it was when it was brand new, we get to see how beautifully this machine can work when it's unmolested by future owners. We get so many cars here. They've all been gone through with varying decisions made and varying quality. This thing is fantastic. And it's in its purest and simple form. I can go up to 55 miles an hour here and there's just no issues. It's tight, and it's on bias ply tires as well, which is amazing. This is a particularly nice bias ply that we sell. And even the exhaust note, you should be able to hear it. It just sounds great. So the concours exercise forces us to return to exactly pure stock. Every fastener, every feature of the car, even the muffler is the factory stock one, and it all works so nicely. And so it's a great ending for us to have this gold medal, but also to now have this car that can be really used and enjoyed and driven. It doesn't have to be stuck in a trailer. It's a very functional car. We probably won't drive it much, but I mean, what do you do with the very first Bugeye? Today you've come with me on this drive to go swimming for my lunch break. That's part of my ritual, but I parked it at the YWCA out in the distance where no one could bother it, and there it is, the one of the world's most valuable Bugeyes, just sitting out in the parking lot. But that's what it's for, that's what it was meant for, and what a fascinating moment for us to have taken this car to this level and to be able to go out and use it and show it. We'll have this car at some more national shows in the coming months, and it's just been a joy to make this machine sort of return it back to its raw, pure essence. All of these cars were configured in so many different ways. People were encouraged when they were new to go out and race them. It was always an option, or you could just use it as a car, as this one is now prepared. That's part of the fun with these sprites, is that they're very versatile. They do a lot really well. So in the 15 years that we've had Bugeye Guys as a business, we've sold about 365 cars as of the making of this video, and they've all been different. I mean, this one is one of the most special cars, without a doubt. It's obviously, there's only one number one, but what's fascinating to me is we generally start by driving them, and then we make these drivability improvements. In the case of this car, we started with accuracy in mind. We didn't really care as much about drivability. We removed the disc brakes to put the correct drums on because we needed to do that for concours. And what we discovered is we have one of our best driving cars ever, and it's such a delight to do that, to get back to the roots and the pure form, and to have this wonderful number one Bugeye preserved for eternity this way. Thanks for coming with us at Bugeye, guys.